Following heavy rains in Japan and Taiwan, another East Asian country is facing extreme rainfall. On August 8, unprecedented rains hit the capital of South Korea, Seoul. From about 8 p.m., a band of rain clouds poured record rain, causing flooding in various parts of the metropolitan area. Flood warnings have been issued for 11 of Seoul's 25 districts. According to the Korea Meteorological Administration, a record 380 millimeters of rain fell. This is more than the 354.7 millimeters recorded on August 2, 1920, the highest value ever recorded in Seoul. The amount of precipitation in just 1 hour reached 136.5 millimeters. The streets turned into rivers, traffic stopped, people were looking for safe places. Some citizens were blocked in their cars. Metro traffic was suspended as several stations were flooded. There was also a partial power outage. Unfortunately, there are victims. The Disaster Management Headquarters urged residents of low-lying areas to evacuate to safety.